Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long BMO wire transfers take. When you need to send money quickly through Bank of Montreal, understanding the timeline is essential to avoid delayed payments or missed deadlines. The exact processing duration depends primarily on whether your transfer is domestic or international, and whether you submit it before the daily cutoff time. For domestic wire transfers, if you initiate the transfer through online banking or in a branch before BMO's daily cutoff time, typically around 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. depending on your region and account type, the transfer is usually processed and completed within the same business day or by the next business day. Domestic transfers move within the national banking network, which allows the receiving institution to credit the funds relatively fast once BMO releases them. International wire transfers take longer. Standard international wires sent through BMO generally take between 1 to 5 business days to reach the destination account. This timeline varies based on the destination country, the currency involved, and intermediary banks that may handle the transaction along the way. If you are sending funds in a major currency like US dollars or Canadian dollars, it often clears toward the faster end of that window, while exotic currencies or transfers requiring complex foreign exchange conversions can take the full 5 business days. Another important factor to keep in mind is the daily cutoff time. If you submit an international wire request after BMO's afternoon cutoff time, or if you initiate it on a weekend or a national holiday, your request will not begin processing until the next available business day. Additionally, standard security reviews or compliance checks can occasionally flag a transaction for manual verification, which adds extra time to the process. If you are looking for alternatives that might move faster for specific types of transfers, BMO also offers services like global money transfer for international remittances, which typically settles within 2 to 5 business days, or standard external account transfers, which can take 2 to 3 business days. However, for high-value or guaranteed bank-to-bank transmissions, traditional wire transfers remain the standard choice as long as you plan around the standard business hours and cutoff schedules. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.